Oh shit. Since I'm preparing meals for the day, sounds like Chef your boy RD is at it again. Let's go. So what I'm going to do is jazz up a suddenly pasta salad. Bacon and ranch and bacon. So I've already followed the directions and boiled the noodles. Yeah, that's the noodles, got vegetables and all that stuff. Stuff that was in the box. I already boiled it and drained all the juice. So I took some olive oil, and now I'm sauteing green peppers, red peppers, onions, and mushrooms all in this pan. And now I have a generic brand, Food Lion, brand of chicken breast with breast meat, well, I'm sorry, rib meat in water that's cracked open. Now I had my stuff sauteing on medium. I'm going to go ahead and turn it down a little, you know, just so it ain't popping and stuff like it's doing. I'm going ahead and draining the juice from the damn chicken. Now the reason I had the water on so I don't have that chicken smell all in the sink later on today. The dumping process. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. The brook up and stir process. I just got brook up all the chicken there and stir up all the sauteed goodness. I think that's good enough. I'm going to go ahead and put the top back on it. And I'm going to turn the heat back up just a little bit closer to where it was, but still watching it since I'm up in here so I don't get burned. With all that going on, the pasta's been cooling off, and now I'm going to get back to the instructions on the box. The instructions originally say to add mayonnaise and the seasoning in a bowl separately, but I put them all in the pasta together. Why not? So now I stirs the mayonnaise, the seasoning, and all that as far as the pasta all together. This is cooking up rather nicely, smells good as hell, and this is stirred up. Quick note, I do dishes a lot. I just don't like doing the dishes, so if I can cut out a step like mixing stuff in the bowl, I'm going to cut it out. Yeah, I would go on to say that this is pretty much done. I mean, just use your brain. You can burn it, have it cooked a little bit, but just use your brain. So I scooped some of the chicken into topping, kind of top the salad off, and still have some left for later dishes on something else. Understand, I got breast meat chicken and vegetables. I could do a lot of extra stuff besides this with that, like make sandwiches and pita bread. You dig? Now this is how it looks with everything all stirred up and, you know, intertwined with one another. And the thought just hit me. There's other things I could do with this on top of that. Like filling a bowl with spinach leaves. Guess what I'm about to do with that? I'm going to take some of this and put it on top of this. And yet, there's more. That's it right there. But here is the more part. These are my favorite almonds in all of the world. Smokehouse Blue Diamond almonds. Woo! Yeah, that's me. Putting the almonds on the salad. What you know about that? Look at that. I mean, the presentation is alright. But this is going to be good as a mug. I already know. With the leftover original salad with the chicken and everything, plus having the chicken that has just the veggies, those are for meals I can do later, so they'll be refrigerated. So there it is. I'm going to eat it just like that with a glass of water. I should be good for the night. Till it's time to eat again in a couple hours. Now understand, Chef, your boy RD freestyles these meals, so let's just taste this. So that's how you jazz up a suddenly pasta salad ranch and bacon version. The Chef, your boy RD. Now I'm sure I'm gonna get some feedback on this, especially from my virtual trainer and nutritionist. Come at me.